Bell Valves designs, manufactures, tests valves for the oil and gas industry, manufacture very high integrity valves, one of only 4 global competitors. Our fundamental business problem was that we were suffering from on-time delivery problems. I've got a great product here at Bell Valves, but we weren't getting it out on time to our customers. So we started to address this via the senior team in 2017 with really a top-down approach. But towards the end of 2017, I realised that we needed to take a different approach and really unlock some of the potential in the team here. So I'd already seen Chris from Quirk Solutions speaking at an event. He'd been talking about the campaign planning model used by the British military. And this resonated with me because basically what you do is take a cross-section of the team who are actually working on the problem, and you actually get them to work and find solutions to it. So instead of the answer coming from the top, it's actually the team who are actually doing the work come up with the solutions. And then using Quirk and talking to Chris and then Jim Pascoe, it became apparent that they would be ideally placed to help build the teams and then facilitate them. We formed 3 teams of 10 people, ranging from craftsmen on the shop floor through to some of the project management team, some of the finance people. We mixed them all up and then we got them to address the business in 3 different areas and address the single question: how are you going to improve on-time delivery in your part of the business?
There was a lot of time being spent on what we class as non-conformance items within the business. So we looked at the process, what the issues were, and we slimlined that process down, reduced the waste. We now basically spend less time and less effort on non-conformance issues, which assists in productivity within the organisation.
Quirk Solutions project actually helped us doing the on-time delivery is actually pass information from one department to another much more fluidly, which means that we can cut out a lot of the dead fat that would come with the project, that where things would be held previously, things can actually move on and improve the time and ultimately on-time delivery.
The assistance we received from Quirk Solutions was extremely effective in helping address this on-time delivery problem that we had. At the end of the 8-week period, we managed to unlock the potential of all the people in those teams and actually give them real projects that they could then see had a measurable impact upon on-time delivery in their areas. So the financial impact of using Quirk Solutions has been very significant for us as a business. We found a cost-effective way of addressing our on-time delivery problems from the real fundamentals in the business.
They came in and actually directed us down the correct route, so we didn't go deviated away from where we should be doing. So yeah, full compliments to Quirk, did a great job for Bell Valves and definitely work with them again sometime in the future hopefully.
They set up the project perfectly well, we knew what we were trying to get into and so there wasn't any time wasted, and then as we went through the process they encouraged us to explore different avenues that we wouldn't have necessarily thought of ourselves.
We found them extremely easy to work with. They quickly tuned into what our needs were and what our challenges were. They could bring a vast array of different experiences into our business to help us move forward very fast. So we at Bell Valves would definitely recommend Quirk Solutions. If you've got a business problem that's difficult to solve and you're wondering how to do it, and you're wondering how to unlock the potential of your team, Quirk Solutions can definitely offer that help.